Inside RedShift, you have the secrets of deep space at your command. Our starting point is the night sky and its mysteries. RedShift is a tool to help you unravel these mysteries. It will explain what you can see, help you find out when and where to look. As part of your voyage of discovery, you'll travel back in time and on into the future. You will also travel out into the solar system and beyond. From your position near the Earth, you can move 1 billion times further from the Sun and explore our galaxy. RedShift gives you access to a vast collection of celestial bodies. More than 20 million stars, the Milky Way, illustrations for all the constellations, and around 1 million amazing deep space objects, galaxies and quasars, star clusters, nebulae, meteor showers blazing across the night sky. All of the planets, from Mercury with its searing heat to the enigmatic system of Pluto. Over 100 moons, great and small, including those revealed recently, some covered in craters, others encrusted with ice. More than 120,000 minor planets, the asteroids, including those that come close enough to graze past the Earth. More than 1,500 comets, sometimes making spectacular appearances as recorded through history, sometimes seen only through the most powerful telescopes. Accompany the deep space probes racing into the outer reaches of the solar system. You can easily update your RedShift catalogs from the latest object databases on the Internet. Just launch the Import tool, and it will return any number of objects to your local machine. Compile your own primary catalog and integrate any number of objects into the main RedShift database. Use powerful inbuilt indexing and find functions to manipulate your personal collection of objects. Operate RedShift as your personal mission control center. Monitor thousands of artificial Earth satellites. Would you like to know more about an object? That's simple. We have detailed information on all the objects in the RedShift database. We use the latest sources, like the Hipparcos and Tycho II stellar catalogs, and the Hubble Guide, Star Catalog 2.2. We have also incorporated the latest theories of motion for planets and moons. Do you remember what was in the night sky 1 year ago? Can you guess what will be happening 1 month from now? Astronomers know with great accuracy how each celestial body moves. RedShift can help you find out the best time for observing any object. Download a digitized image of any selected region of the heavens to compare the virtual sky in RedShift to a real photo. Did you find an interesting object in the online map of the sky? Link to RedShift and ask it what the object is. Along with an updated map of the Earth included in RedShift, you also have access to the online Google Map and can view anywhere on the planet in more detail. RedShift has a comprehensive set of controls. They're easily managed by a beginner. Turn on the night vision mode and use your computer out in the field as you actually make observations. Switch to full screen and utilize the whole area of your monitor. Flip the sky image in RedShift to recreate the view in your telescope. Instantly update orbital elements of comets, asteroids, and Earth-orbiting spacecraft. Adjust the sky view in the Filters panel. Set the right epoch in the Time panel. Define your place on Earth or in outer space in the Location panel. And finally, select the object you would like to look at. In RedShift, you can travel to a selected object and study it from a close distance. Select Automatic Pilot, sit back, and watch the sky change before your eyes. Or relax and travel through our galaxy without any specific goal, like in a sailing yacht, and observe how enchanting stars pass you by. Observe how the constellation patterns, which you know, look quite different when seen from interstellar distances. You can use multiple windows to show astronomical events from several vantage points at the same time. Here's an illustration of a solar eclipse which happened in 585 BC and was described by the ancient Greek historian Herodotus. The Lydians and the Medes stopped fighting when they saw that the sun had turned dark right before sunset. RedShift has a special tool called Sky Diary that helps you to find both solar and lunar eclipses visible in the past and future, as well as other remarkable celestial events like conjunctions, when two or more bright objects come together in the sky. Take a look at this rare conjunction in the heavens of Saturn and Jupiter. Not long ago, the kings of the world trembled to hear news of such events from their royal astrologers. In 13th century Central Asia, the invincible Genghis Khan was so afraid that he abandoned his campaigns of conquest. With the Sky Diary, you can easily get to know about the moon's phases, its conjunctions with planets and bright stars, about the planet positions and configurations, coming and past eclipses, beginnings and ends of meteor showers. More than that, from the diary pages, you can jump to any required time and place to see the event you're interested in. We cannot guarantee the weather, but we can guarantee that our planetarium will show you what is happening there. RedShift includes a great number of guided tours, which are not movies, but specially prepared scenarios, illustrating fascinating aspects of astronomy. They run using the RedShift Sky Simulation Engine to create the show as you watch it. You can begin with a tour of the night sky, or jump right out into space and pay a visit to a distant star. Run the assistant guided tours to learn how to use each control panel. You can even create your own guided tours by using the Macro Recorder tool. Just start the recorder and use RedShift as normal. You can also add various multimedia files to your tour, like photos and music, or add your comments about the scenario as it is played. The sequence of commands you execute will be stored in a special script and then can be run by any owner of RedShift. Phobos, meaning fear in Greek, is the larger of two small moons that orbit Mars. RedShift now has controls for a wide range of amateur telescopes. From RedShift, you can target your telescope at any object in the sky to see how it looks in reality. Or, if you find and observe a mysterious object in the heavens and wonder what it is, just ask RedShift to reproduce your telescope view and show you everything about your target. If RedShift doesn't know, congratulations. It may well be that you have discovered a new object. The RedShift Sky contains 200 real images of galaxies and nebulae from popular Messier and Caldwell catalogs. That's not all. Now you can take any image of a deep sky object and add it to your view of the sky. If necessary, you can visually adjust the image position, change its size, rotate and mirror the image. Equalize image brightness and fit it smoothly on your sky view. Save the image to add it to the RedShift Sky. By using the movie recorder, it is easy to record the action and play it back later to your family and friends. You don't need to spend time on technical details. You can concentrate on setting up the best show. Just start the recorder and move the window to cover the part of the scene you want to film. Choose a sound scheme to simulate the atmosphere of an outdoor observing session. See the collision of the comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 with Jupiter that took place in 1994. This famous event is reproduced by RedShift's numerical integration engine. You can access many of the features available in RedShift directly from the Start panel. Use this panel to explore the program and discover basic astronomy concepts. Let the Start panel be your gateway to the astronomy universe. Now let RedShift lead you on a journey of discovery as you begin to explore the heavens.